Good morning, guys. We are in the Lake District in England and we are climbing Helvellyn, which is the third highest mountain in England at 950 metres. Today we'll be climbing 800 metres of that, a really gnarly ridge line and some beautiful scenery. So there's quite a few people around. I'm with my cousin and all my beautiful nieces. Let's see how the day pans out. The Lake District is a very pretty place. Formed by glaciers back in the last ice age, everyone knows that. I won't bore you with that, but the first 20 minutes is a little bit of sucking wind and should get better after that. And just like that, after an hour and a half, you walk around a bend and you get hit with a really nice view. The sun comes out, lakes in the distance, and you know, you just zigzag your way to the top until there's no more ridge lines. There we go, folks. That is Stridon Edge. It's going to be a pretty dramatic ridge line, a little bit windy, not quite cold, as long as you keep moving. But wow, this Lake District, honestly, it's always amazing. So things just got interesting with this nice little knife edge that we are all climbing down. Good fun. I'm pretty impressed that we've managed to drag all my beautiful nieces up this awesome little ridge line. Feels like we're on holiday now. Wow, this has been an adventure. We just climbed over that entire ridge line. How cool is that? We're not even at the top yet. I think I'm going to climb that mountain on the way down. Holy crap, you probably can't hear me right now, but that's the top there. And then we're going to follow the path down there, so we're technically doing a traverse. I might go up to that mountain ridge down there, and then we go back down to the lake. We've elevated up to 950 metres. Oosh! Pretty windy. Good day. Third highest peak in England. Nice work. So the fam is going to take this trail down. We're going to go up one more mountain by ourselves, and then we'll meet them over in the next valley. What a day. What a day. I was getting late in the day, so I had to really push to get up here, because now I gotta get down the other side, down that fork in the road. There you can see middle of screen, meet up with the fam, and then it's a slow walk home to a beer and maybe a hot pie or something. Down where that lake is, that's where we're going. What a day. What a day. Just love the Lake District, especially when it's cloudy. How pretty is it?